And at that time, they were discussing about Datta Retreat Center, whether we should continue or not in the United States. So at that time, Swamiji called both of us, my wife and me, and asked about Swamiji's mission and all that, which we did not know. At that time, he said, so I'm going to make Prakash Rao as the chairman of the Datta Yoga Center, and so he is going to take over the responsibility, which we didn't even know anything about it except only on the second occasion. So he said, so you are going to be in charge of it. At that time he indicated, now do you know why you left Hindu temple? Because if you stayed in Hindu temple, you would not come close to Swamiji. So that's the reason. So he created those circumstances for me to leave that Hindu temple in Jackson, Mississippi, and that is how I came very close to Swamiji. So that is basically how I met Swamiji, and then since that time, so we had a lot of experiences, and so maybe one of the experiences I can give in a few seconds. So we were in Trinidad, and somehow, that water and the food did not suit me. So this experience is, it happened in Trinidad. So we went to Trinidad in 1993. And that was the time that, this water and the food did not suit me. So I started having the vomitings, high fever, and the motions. So I could not even hold water. So as a result, so my wife suggested that we should go to the hospital, maybe admitted in emergency ward. So around 9:30, my wife called Manaswami and told him this is the situation, so she may have to take me to the emergency hospital. So Manaswami said he will inform Swamiji and he will get back to us. So within half an hour he called us and said, you don't have to take him to emergency. Come first thing in the morning, Swamiji is going to see you. So first thing in the morning, so we got up and then went to see Swamiji. So Swamiji was coming from upstairs, he was descending the steps. So then we met at the end of the steps. So the minute he looked at me, he was so ferocious. I mean, it's almost like a Raudra Ropa. And he just looked at it and as if he's scolding me kind of thing. What happened to you? Nothing happened. Nothing will happen to you. Everything is fine. And then he tied Raksha around my arm. And as if he was just scaring whatever that I had at that time kind of thing. Not that he was really scolding me, but he was just taking out all whatever problem that I had. So, and then he went, and within half an hour, so I took little rest, and within half an hour, so everything was gone, the fever was gone, and then as I said, I could not even hold water. All of a sudden I felt hungry, and within half an hour I started eating and I started actually drinking water and all that. The fever was gone. It was just a miracle. Within half an hour, whatever I suffered for 4 days was gone within minutes. So that was one of the experiences that I had. And with my children and all of them, we had experiences which we can share with so many people, which we published this experience also in Wonders of Holy Master. I think that would be one of the good source of experiences written by so many devotees across the globe. So we suggest that everybody look at those two books and read and experience Swamiji. Jai Gurudatta. Jai Gurudatta.